लिखें 37 है। हाँ कल 36 किया था। ओ सॉरी हाँ 47 पीछे आ गए। लिखें फिर रेडी। तू तो मुझे लगता है स्पेशल पेंसिल छुरी से करता है कोई। चलो रेडी। द प्रोविंशियल गवर्नमेंट shall comma out of a panel of 3 police officers recommended by the National Public Safety Commission from a list provided by the federal government comma post a police officer of the rank of Inspector General of Police comma as provincial police officer under bracket PPO of the province colon provided that before a police officer is posted as provincial police officer under clause 1 the federal government shall place his services at the disposal of the provincial government full stop. The federal government in the case of Islamabad Capital Territory and the provincial government in the case of city district shall post a police officer not below the rank of additional inspector general of police as capital city police officer out of 3 officers recommended by the National Public Safety Commission comma or on the recommendation of the provincial police officer under bracket PPO as the case may be full stop. The federal government shall comma out of a panel of 3 suitable police officer recommended by the National Public Safety Commission post head of a federal investigation agency under bracket FIA comma Pakistan Railway Police comma Pakistan Motorway and Highway Police and Frontier Constabulary full stop during temporary absence of the police officers mentioned under clause 1 and clause 2 the next senior officer may exercise all or any of the powers comma perform all or any of the functions and duties full stop paragraph and discharge all or any of the responsibilities of the provincial police officer under bracket PPO comma or capital city police officer comma as the case may be full stop. The provincial police officer under bracket PPO comma posted under clause 1 shall have administrative and financial powers as ex officio secretary to the provincial government and other powers under this order comma or any other law for the time being in force and Islamabad Capital Territory comma Islamabad Capital City Police Officer posted under clause 2 shall have the same administrative and financial powers full stop subject to job description of each post under the rules comma the police officers mentioned in clause 1 and 2 may by a general or special order comma empower any officer subordinate to him to exercise and perform all or any of the powers comma functions or duties to be exercised comma or performed under this order full stop. The term of provincial police officer under bracket PPO comma capital city police officer and head of a federal law enforcement agency posted under clause 11 shall be 3 years from the date of his posting, full stop. The provincial government with comma agreement of provincial public safety commission and the capital city public safety commission may transfer the provincial police officer under bracket PPO or capital city police officer before the expiry of his tenure, comma, as the case may be, full stop. The provincial government or the respective public safety commission may initiate the case of premature transfer of the officers mentioned in clause 2 for unsatisfactory performance of duties, full stop. The federal government may, with the agreement of National Public Safety Commission, transfer Islamabad capital city police officer and head of a federal law enforcement agency before the expiry of his tenure, full stop. The federal government or the National Public Safety Commission may initiate premature transfer of the officer mentioned in clause 4 for unsatisfactory performance of duties, provided that before premature transfer of the officers mentioned in clause 3 and 5, the appropriate commission shall give the concerned officer an opportunity of being heard in person, full stop. The federal government may, comma, with the agreement of the National Public Safety Commission, comma, recall a provincial police officer under bracket PPO or the capital city police officer, full stop.